Okay, children, so now we're going to start with certain examples. So, the first example I will take is that of methane. Okay, so I am going to find out the structural formula. I'm going to find out what the structure is going to be and what is going to be the formula of methane. All right. So, when such a word is given to you, the first thing you do is you divide the word. Now, when you're dividing the word, you will leave the last three letters, that is A, N, E, you will leave. So, you leave last three letters and you leave the first part of it. Okay, so what did I do? I left the last three letters. Okay, now the first part, based on the table which I just now gave you, based on the table, if you see in front of METH, it's written as 1. So we will consider and we will write N is equal to 1 because we have to go according to the table. N is equal to 1, it means that the number of carbon is 1. So we will write 1C because N is equal to 1. Okay, now the next part of it is ANE. ANE means that it is a alkane, and we know alkanes have all single bonds in it. So what you have to do is you have to put all single bonds around this one carbon. Okay, and how many bonds will you put? 4 bonds. Why? Because carbon has a valency of 4, so it needs to have 4 bonds around it, and because it is an alkane, we're going to put all single 4 bonds. Now after you put the bonds, wherever you have space next to the bond, you will put it as H because it's a hydrocarbon. So HC is already there, only thing is you have to fill the spaces with H. So what is the formula going to be? You have 1C, so you write C, and you have 4 carbons, so you write CH4. So this is a formula that you get from the structure you have drawn for methane. Now how do you check this? Alkane, we know, has the formula of CnH2n plus 2. This I already have written you from the picture which I gave you. It is already written in that. Okay, now what do you do just to check it? N we have written, wherever N is written you have to substitute the value that is given to you. Okay, so we will substitute C1H2 into 1 plus 2. I had N here, so I put 1 here, also 2 into N, so 2 into 1. Okay, now C has 1 here, so you put it as CH. 2 ones are 2 plus 2, so that is CH4. So what you've got from the formula and what you've got from the structure is the same, so that is, it means it is correct. I hope this is clear. Let's look at another example. The second example we take is that of ethane. Okay, now this is a question given to us. We have to find out what is ethane. What do? We first divide the word. We divide the word into 2. Okay, so we have ETH as the prefix and you have ANE as a suffix. So now you have ETH. According to the table, we know N is equal to 2. If you check the table, ETH is written, 2 is written next to it, so we take N is equal to 2. So it means that we have 2 carbons. Because N is equal to 2, we have written 2 carbons, and ANE it is, so we know it is a alkane. Okay, so everything is going to be single bond. So what do you do first? You connect the 2 carbon with 1 bond. Okay, now for this carbon, 1 bond is already given out. You have more 3, so you put 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this carbon again has 1 bond is already gone. You have only 3 remaining, that you put as 1, 2 and 3. Now wherever you have these spaces remaining, you put it up with hydrogen. Okay, so this is how your structure of ethane will look. Okay, now if you look at the which formula you have to find out, you have 2 carbon here, so you write C2, and H, if you go to count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have H is 6. So C2H6 is the formula you get for ethane. Let us just check if this is correct. We have the formula of alkane. Alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Wherever n is there, we'll substitute the value of 2 because you're talking about ETH. Okay. So we have C2H 2 into 2 plus 2. C2H 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2. C2H 4 plus 2 is 6. C2H6. This and this are matching, so this is correct. So ethane has the formula of C2H6. Alright. Now let's take another example. Propane. First step, divide the word. Second step, we need to check prop stance is equivalent to which number. We know prop is equal to 3. So by n will be equal to 3. Alright. So what do I do? 3. So I write 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what do we do? We have 3 C's written. Now we need to connect them first. So we are going to connect them with single bonds. Okay. Why single? Because it's ANE. It's an alkane, so we need to connect it up with single bonds. Alright. Now what do we do? How many of our bonds are remaining? That many bonds we will put. If you look at this first carbon, it has already used up one bond. It has 3 remaining, so it has 1, 2 and 3. Alright. Second carbon, 2 bonds are already used up. It has 2 more remaining, so 1 and 2. Third carbon already has 1 bond used, so it has 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now wherever we have space, we're going to cover it up with hydrogen. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you look at the formula, it's going to be C3H8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C3H8. Let's check if this is correct. So we have the formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, substitute n as 3. C3H2 into 3 plus 2. C3H6 plus 2. C3H8. So C3H8, C3H8, this is correct. So this is how you find out the formulas for any molecule which is being asked. I hope this is clear.